In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Trust Wallet account on a new or reset device. First, remember that Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet. That means your account is restored using your 12-word recovery phrase, not a username or email. If you still have access to your old phone, open Trust Wallet, Settings, Wallets, tap the three dots next to your wallet name, then Show Recovery Phrase. Write all 12 words down on paper in the correct order and keep them safe. Now, on your new device, go to the official App Store, download Trust Wallet, and open it. On the first screen, instead of creating a new wallet, tap I already have a wallet or Import Wallet. Choose Multicoin Wallet, then carefully type in the same 12-word phrase you saved. Give your wallet a name. Confirm, and Trust Wallet will automatically restore your addresses and balances linked to that phrase. Make sure everything looks right by checking a couple of your main coins. If you don't have the recovery phrase anymore, the wallet unfortunately cannot be recovered, so always keep that phrase backed up safely. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.